here with one of my best friends, Greg Tyree.
Yes.
So excited.
Hey, everybody.
Hey, so we've got Habitat for Humanity going live right now and Sugar Blush Bakery going live right now. So it's going to be awesome. I am so glad that you're here with me today.
I'm excited.
We're gonna do something pretty incredible. We're gonna decorate a cake, and the cake that we're decorating today, Greg, is actually gonna be a house.
Oh, okay.
I'm sure you probably guessed that, but that's what Habitat for Humanity does, and I love everything that Habitat for Humanity does. Like, it's just amazing what they've done for us, everything. So just tell everybody a little bit about what you guys do.
We here at Greater Lynchburg Habitat for Humanity like to demonstrate God's love by building homes, community, and hope. So we partner with qualified families, as you well know, because you're one of our qualified families who live in a beautiful home. And we partner with families to help them become homeowners. And they work sweat equity hours, they learn financial skills and implement those in their life. And then of course, we put a 0% interest mortgage on the home, and they buy the home that they've worked for so hard. So we're very excited here. The whole staff here loves what we do. We love making Lynchburg a better place.
And they do. Let me tell you what, they have done so many incredible things. Years ago when I was going live, every Tuesday, I was using the kitchen, and the kitchen that they built, it's just amazing what the Lord has done from there till now, and it's incredible. And it's so amazing. Like, if you would have told me 6 years ago, or I think it's probably 8 years ago now since we moved in, but that this would have happened, that now we'd be decorating a cake together.
I know.
I'd be like, I don't believe you, but this is so cool. So I am so excited to get started. He's going to be decorating. I'm just going to be coaching him. So this is going to be so fun. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make a sky. Okay? So the way I want you to do this is just take this bag here of frosting, and we're just going to go around like little tiny dots just all around. You don't have to make it any which way. Just little dots around the first half of the cake.
First half, and I can
Yeah. Be as creative as you want to be, because we're really just gonna smooth it all out to make a sky. So it really doesn't matter however you want to do it. That's
okay, because
perfect.
it's my sky.
It's your sky.
And everything's looking up.
That's right. Oh man.
All right, so how's that?
Okay, that's perfect. That's awesome. So the next thing
Can I eat this while we're...
You can't.
No.
The next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the grass. Okay, so likewise, just like you did with the blue, just do the same thing with the green here, all around the bottom. And actually, you'll probably want to do more of like a line around, just like that. So squeeze the bag
and turn the cake.
and turn at the same time. Let's see this here.
Yeah, baby.
It's all right. That's awesome.
Okay, I messed up a little bit.
No, it's okay.
You make it look so easy.
Oh no, I've done it a time or two.
Now, this is much greener than the grass I have at my house right now.
It's okay. This is your grass, right? This is however you want it to be. It's going to be amazing. So, actually, I think we could probably do two layers of this around. If you just do another one like this around the side.
Wow. Okay.
You didn't think it was going to be easy to do.
I was hoping it would be easy.
It's going to be easy. You'll be fine.
Yeah,
You'll do great.
my boss is watching me.
Oh man, you're going to do great. You're going to make them all proud. So the next thing that we're going to do here is we are going to kind of make the sky and the grass at the same time. So how we're going to do that is we're going to take this handy dandy bench scraper here, go like this up against the cake, and just smooth it around. And you're going to see the more you smooth it around, the more you're actually creating a beautiful scene. So here you go.
You know, my hands is just like a weapon of mass destruction.
No.
Right?
Watch, you're going to see,
kinda...
it's going to be amazing. Just ever so gently.
Oh.
Hey, you want to make sure you get up close to the cake too? That's great. That's awesome. Check you out, Greg. That's great. That is really awesome, guys. Now, we're going to have to use our imagination. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Ah!
No, wait.
Okay.
This is perfect. Watch, just halfway through, we're just going to take this and scrape it off a little bit because we want to make sure that we don't carry too much of the buttercream around. But watch, as you continue like this and you just continue to go around, you're gonna see it's gonna start to smear together, if you will. And you're gonna get different colors throughout. It's really amazing. And it's gonna start looking like a sky.
This is a lot like what my wife does. She fixes stuff after I do something, she corrects it. That's pretty cool.
No. You did good. You did really good. And we're almost done with this part, so I'm just gonna put a little bit more back on and let you just keep on going at it, okay? So we're just gonna add a little bit more grass here, and I'm gonna give you the scraper here, and a little bit more blue in between for the sky, okay?
Okay.
All right, perfect. Very nice. Very good. I feel like I'm in cake class. This is amazing. You're doing so well, Greg. Awesome.
Can we put a unicorn thing on it?
We could have done a unicorn. We could have done a Christmas unicorn.
Okay, so do we need more blue there in the middle, or?
Well, this is the fun part here. What we're gonna actually do now is we're gonna put some clouds on. So wherever you see that there's some little patches of something and you kind of wanna fill it in with something else, I'm gonna give you this little tip here. Has some white frosting, some white buttercream, and you're gonna go around and you're going to create some clouds here. So the way you do that is you just squeeze and go around in a circle. Whoops, oh gosh, look at this. I'm dropping frosting everywhere. Bear with me, I have extras, and this happens to me all the time. Greg, pressure's on, man. You can't let this happen to you.
Wow, I do feel a lot of pressure right now. Yeah. Call that prayer hotline fast.
This happens all the time, no worries. So I'm just gonna put this back in the bag here, and all you have to do is just a little bit of a squirt, and you will get some, excuse me for 1 second, you'll get some beautiful little clouds around your sky.
Okay.
So, not as much pressure as I use, okay? A little bit less. And here you go.
Okay.
Let's see.
So how many dots should I do per cloud? Like
You can do 3
3?
for starters.
Alright, so another one right here.
Perfect! That's great. Yeah, that's awesome. That's amazing. 3 little dots. It makes the cutest little clouds. And before you know it, you've got this beautiful little scene. That's amazing. You are a pro. I am convinced you've had practice. Were you practicing ahead of time?
I went on Rachel Ray recently. Okay, I messed it up now, so I think I gotta get some.
Oh, you need some more?
Okay, now.
You got it? Check that out. That is amazing.
Here. It's like it gets all gooey.
It does. It does. Don't worry about it. We can.
Okay.
We'll fill in. We'll add some more. No worries. Okay. So now, what we have to do here is we are going to make the front of the house. Okay. So here, I'm going to take this here and I'm going to put this door on the front of the cake, okay? Actually, what we're gonna probably do is
super glue? Should I get super glue? No
we
super glue?
got buttercream.
Oh, okay. All right.
Just as well, right? So I'm gonna take a little bit of this here.
And that kind of acts like an adhesive.
And yes, it does. So we're just gonna place it right here in the front, okay? And we already have some buttercream over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the front part of the door as well. So I'm gonna hand this to you here.
Okay.
It's actually upside down, so you just turn it like that. Yep. Like this. And just push, yep, and just push it right there. Actually, I'm gonna move some of that buttercream
This
around.
is like the lintel of the door?
Yes, perfect. Yeah,
How's
that's
that?
awesome. That's great, guys. Take a look at that. It's all coming together, right?
Yay.
So now we're going to make the windows on the side. Okay. So here, these are the windows.
Are these double pane windows?
These are no pane windows.
We like weather, you know, like good.
You guys do way better windows than these, let me tell you. I love my windows. So here, I'm just adding a little buttercream. Greg, I'm gonna have you put this on either side of the door, but just make sure you add put it up a little bit because we want to stick something underneath the window.
Absolutely. So I can put it about right here.
Yep. Perfect. Yes, awesome. So then on this side too, another little bit of some buttercream.
Okay.
And you can stick that window on the other side. We're gonna turn it around so you guys can see this here too. It's so cool how it's coming along. That is perfect, Greg. He's such a good sport. Check him out. Look, isn't that amazing? So it's coming together. So now I think it'd be really nice if we have some bushes in the front too.
Landscaping.
Landscaping.
Landscaper volunteers.
Yes, yes, I think that's amazing. You guys do such a beautiful job with your landscaping. So we have little fondant bushes here. So we're gonna put them underneath the windows. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna add a little bit of this blue buttercream and hand this over to you.
Okay.
And you can put it underneath the window.
Which side?
Either side is fine. Whichever side you feel like looks better.
Okay.
Just however you feel. Okay.
Okay.
And then on this side too. Perfect. Very, very good. That's awesome. You've got some beautiful little bushes going on and happening here. That's awesome. Okay, so now we are going to make the top part of the cake, which is just a bunch of swirls. I think to just put everything together. Are you stressed out yet? Look.
It's a little.
No. This is fun.
Food's a serious thing. You don't want to mess that up.
Oh, Greg, you're doing a wonderful job. This
So
is
we're not
amazing.
putting the roof on the house. We're putting the sky on the
We're putting, yeah, this is a sky roof.
sky. Ooh.
So all we're gonna do is go around with just little swirls. If that's too challenging, you can just do little stars like this. Yay! That's awesome. That's great. Check you out, man. Whoever wins this cake is going to be so excited because you made it. That makes it even more exciting. Check that out.
You obviously don't know how people feel about me, do you?
No, this is awesome. Look.
This is a lot of fun. I would love to be able to do this
It is
on
fun.
Josh
Look.
after he picks on my hairline. That's why I wore a hat today.
Oh no.
Plus, I think it's kind of Christmassy, and
Oh, it looks great.
I didn't want to be a Scrooge.
You are so funny, Greg. Everybody here loves you. Let me give you a little bit more buttercream if you're running out a little bit. And yes, this is made with real butter, so you'll notice if your hands touch it for too long, then it starts to get a little weepy, and then you have problems. But you look like you did a really good job.
What's next?
So this is what's next. This is it. We finished this here, and we can add some grass if we want to. But all in all, this is the cake that has the house scene in the front of it. Listen, Greg, I want to make sure we do it and do it well. There are so many things that people want to adventure and do, but I have to say, you really did this really well. Or this is your first one, right?
It is. I didn't really go on Rachel Ray. I was kidding.
This is amazing. I have to tell you, I'm so excited. And the only thing I think I might want to add at the bottom is just a little bit of some grass, just to make it look a little bit more like a scene from a house. So what we're going to do around the bottom and the base of the door is we're going to add some little grass blades here with our green buttercream. Guys, this can get so messy, but I'm so glad, like, we have gloves on. It's not as bad as you think. So take this and just kind of lift up here, and you've got little blades of grass around the bottom of your bushes. Just like this. And you can add some along the side too. You guys see that there?
Okay, so just put them around the sides.
Just around the sides, yeah. Just little quick
You make it look so
squirts.
easy. It's not that easy.
It is. You just gotta practice. You can totally do it. Just little quick squirts, and then you can lift up your hand quickly and you'll get some beautiful little blades of grass. He's doing good? I know!
That looks
You're
really
doing
good.
amazing.
That looks good enough to eat, Gabby.
It looks good enough to eat. I have to agree with you. I can't wait to see who wins this. This is so exciting. Check you out, Greg. We have got to put this on Sugar Blush Bakery on our website so people can see what an amazing job you did. It's your first time. What happened?
Do I go all the way around, or we?
Oh yeah, we've got plenty more
here. Let me see you do it. I want to learn too.
Oh yeah, well you're doing an incredible job, Greg. So all we're just doing is just squeezing and going up, kind of like this, and then it looks like blades of grass. You see?
You know, we need like a soundtrack going on.
Like the Rocky soundtrack. Well, you know what? I'm excited because one of the special volunteers here at Habitat for Humanity is going to win this cake today. So guys, you know I usually give it away. This week we're doing something super special. It's going to someone incredible. Greg,
are we ready to do that now?
I think so.
All right, so really the backbone of Habitat for Humanity is our volunteers. So they really, we couldn't do it without them. And we have dozens, sometimes even hundreds, throughout the year at a time. So this is our volunteers in this little Christmas box here. And they come in, we have some that come in several times a week for hours a day. We have some that can get time on weekends. And sometimes there's special projects where groups come in, volunteers. Also for the Restore, where we're standing right now in the lobby of Habitat, adjacent to us is the Restore. It also depends on volunteers to help us sell gently used items and things that are donated to us to bring the proceeds over to build homes, community, and hope. So
yes,
we're very excited. So you want to draw the name for me?
Oh sure, I'd be honored to. How exciting! Okay. Let me make sure I get all this buttercream off of my hands here. Yay! I can't wait to see. Awesome. Okay. Okay. And the winner is
Ed Shallek.
Woo!
All right, he's well deserved. I know this luck of the draw, but well deserved that he's getting the cake.
That is so awesome.
And I hope you share it. Looks awfully good.
Awesome. Well, I'm so excited for you, Ed. God bless you. Thank you everybody for watching today. This was super fun. Merry Christmas to all of you guys, and I can't wait to see you next week. Take care.
God bless. Merry Christmas.